And he eats tons of snow.
Baby Yoda's eating snow?
No, Iron Man.
Iron Man's eating snow?
With a spoon, not
With
a
a
fork.
spoon, not a fork. Why?
I don't know, I want to eat snow.
Okay. You can eat later, okay?
No. I want to eat snow with Baby Yoda and Iron Man.
You want to eat snow with Baby Yoda and Iron Man? Well, maybe later. We gotta get you out of here, okay?
But he's leaving.
Okay, it's okay.
No. That's not fair. We're going on an airplane
They're going on an airplane?
to South Dakota. I want to go there.
You know what? You maybe shouldn't talk because you have stuff in your teeth right now, okay?
But you leave me right now. I want to go.
Hey, look at Mama. Open your eyes.
I'm leaving.
No, but open your eyes so you can see where you're at. See, there's no Baby Yoda. It's just Mommy.
Go out the window.
The window, there's a car.
No. What? And I'm not going with him.
Baby Yoda hopped in a Tesla and you're not going with him?
Yes, Iron Man invited me.
You need to keep your mouth shut, honey, because you've got your stuff. It's okay. I'm inviting you.
No. Iron Man invited me, not
Iron
you.
Man invited you. Okay. Thank you.
It's right there. We're gonna leave. I don't want them to leave. There's fishies.
Bickies?
Fishies.
Oh, they have fishies.
They're swimming.
You can't eat. Oh, fishies are swimming?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I thought you meant eat.
No, that's rude. We don't eat the fish.
I thought you meant goldfish, honey.
No! They're swimming. No, maybe you're on the left. You're Iron Man. But the fishes are gonna save me. But now there's a spaceship and I'm not on it. I got Wendy's burgers.
They have Wendy's burgers.
I want a Wendy's milkshake.
Well, we'll get you something when we go home, okay?
Now they're in Florida. I want to go to Florida.
Well, you want to do everything, don't you?
The fishes invited me to Florida.
The fish can talk?
Yes. He's my best friend. He invited me to Florida to go swimming. I want to go swimming.
Hey, we can go later. It'll be really cold, though.
No.